Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Roblox account. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So usually I'm going to use my browser over here, which is Google Chrome, and then I will go to the search engine Google, and once here, I'm going to go for Roblox, and I will open this website here for roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. And so once we're here, we will not gonna click on this button and go for settings, but we'll go here in the link and we're gonna change this one from home to support, and then we will be directed here to this page. Even though there's another way to do this, just go for a new tab in Google and search for Roblox support here and open this website, and you will be directed to the same page as here. So for example, once we're here, we're gonna put our username, optional, the first name, email address, and confirmation of the email address. We're gonna repeat the email address once again over here, and then we'll go to issue details. For what device are you having the problem on? You're gonna choose any of these. In my case, I'm using PC. And then type of the help category here, I'm gonna choose data privacy requests, and then this one, you go to one of these, right to be forgotten, the RTBF, or other privacy request. So I'm going to choose right to be forgotten. And here on the description of the issue, I'm going to write, I would like to get here, to get my account deleted, please. And then you click on submit. And once you click on submit, you're going to receive an email, which is going to write here. So because I didn't write any email, so this cannot be opened. So I'm going to over here put my email address, and I'm going to confirm my email address once again. And then as you can see, I can click on submit. And so once I click on submit, I'm going to receive an email to this mail over here, and I'm going to verify and confirm the email. And so my account will be deleted immediately. And that's how we can delete our account on Roblox. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.